Come in peace, brother. Trevor Burtonholm has told us a great deal about you. Good things. Well, you've got me pretty beat. Because he didn't tell me much about you guys.
Did he tell you to trust us?
To do what we ask you to do?
Yeah. That is all you need to know about us.
Right.
We have a task for you, sir. To slay a dragon.
Excuse me?
The Saint Leonard Worm. 1400 years ago, it haunted the forest near Horsham, in West Sussex. It killed and ate animals and children, and the few soldiers brave enough to ride out against it. But finally, a simple monk armed himself and went into that forest, where he fought the worm and drove it back into the hollow of the earth. In doing so, the monk himself was gravely hurt, and because of the nature of the place, and the nature of the man, wherever his blood fell, lilies grew. Now we have it on good authority that the dragon has come again. People have died, yes.
This is why Burtonholm has sent you to us. Take this. This very spear the Earl of Warlock used against his own dragon.
Yeah, alright.
Pray it does you more good than it did the Earl.
Of course, we have every confidence in your success.
Yes, certainly.
It is inevitable.
Okay.
Now, get thee to St. Leonard's Wood and there do the thing.
I've seen a haunted chair and a talking mongoose, but I have bet good money there were no dragons. One of those guys was pulling me leg. Maybe not. Oh, son of a... All right.
Come and get it, tough guy.
Jeez. Well, I know you're real. So let's see how...
Hey! Hey! Ah!
Damn.
What do you see?
Hellboy. Crushed to death.
My spine!
Hey, that's not my spine.
Crushed to death.
No. He lives. Hellboy lives and the worm is dead.
Killed by him?
No.
That was a close one.
Then the experiment was a failure.
We have learned nothing.
Nothing.
We will continue to watch him, however long it takes. In time, his true nature will be revealed to us. Be that for good or ill.